All right, we're back at it. It's another Ducati lost key replacement we're about to do. This one's going to be a 2015 Ducati 899 Panigale. That's what this one is. They sent us the ignition lock. They sent us the dashboard. So basically, plan of action. We're going to take a couple blank keys like this. First, we're going to decode the locks, figure out what the cuts are. Cut the keys, make sure they're working nice and smooth. After that, go to phase 2, programming the chip data, so the bike will recognize the key and start when you receive the unit. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. As you see, the dashboard's ready to go back. I'm ready to put everything in the box, ship it back to the customer. Here you go, 2 keys made from scratch. It's that key number 2, key number 1. There you go. Stick it in. Nice and smooth, like they're supposed to work. Both the chips in both these keys have chips in them. They both ready to rock. Once the customer get these parts back, all they gotta do is hook everything back up. The bike will start right up. The bike won't even know the difference. Basically, I wrote the data into the chips, and then I wrote that data into the system. So that's why I got key number 1 and key number 2. That's just for me programming, so I know which data was on which chip while I'm programming and while I'm verifying that the system took the chips and the information is in memory, so the bike will start. So that's just checks and balances for me. But anyway, if y'all having trouble finding someone to help you, it's probably a couple reasons why. Maybe 1, they don't get enough calls for this to justify spending the kind of money it takes to be prepared for all the systems. 2, may not even have the equipment. 3, they may not even have the training to deal with it. Ducati systems, they have many different systems, many different types of keys. The keys all look the same, but the chips are different. The data is different, the way they code it. So, but anyway, if you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. Usually, on average, 3-4 days, depending on my workload. But I can bang them out in usually about 3 or 4 days because I'm the one actually doing the work. If you call somebody and they say it's going to take them 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's because they probably sending it to somebody else to do the work and charging you for it. I don't like customers' parts floating around in the mail. I want it from you to me. I do my work and then back to you. No other hands in between. So go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate y'all for watching.